Hello everyone, and welcome to part 2 of the Walmart haul. I guess I should call this the clearance haul because pretty much everything in this area was on clearance, and I'll explain why I got what I got. I was amazed when I went to the store that they still had so much Easter candy. I guess I shouldn't have been. Normally, the Walmart that I usually go to would have been out of Easter candy within a week, maybe 10 days of putting it on clearance, but they're still devoting like one side of the aisle that the seasonal is in to Easter candy. So my daughter loves Skittles and she watches my videos. How about that? The other day she sent me a picture that she was the first person to watch my video. It had 1 view and 1 thumbs up. So she knows that she's getting Skittles now. Hi, sweetie. She likes these, so I'm going to, I only got her 4 packs, you know, because I still like her teeth. She has nice teeth, but I don't want to rot them. These were actually only a quarter, so prior to Easter, they were $1 a piece, and so they were marked down to a quarter because everything is 75% off now. Also, the mini robin eggs are $1, but again, marked down to 25 cents. The Pez that I picked up, I got 4 different Easter Pez, and they were marked down to 35 or 37 cents each with the candy. And last time I had a jar of this candy, I ended up throwing it away. My grandson collects the Pez and generally does not eat the candy. Picked up 1 of each of these Hershey's candies and the Reese's Pieces. They were all out of M&Ms. They were also just 25 cents each. I'm glad they were out of M&Ms because if not, I'd have bought the huge bag and then would have just eaten them. And I'll tell you what, I'm eating too much junk food. Of this, I mean, I won't touch these Skittles, the Pez. These ramen eggs might tempt me. Those Reese's Pieces, yes. These Hershey's, not so much. Now, these sixlets that were, what, $1.50 prior to, no, or were they $2.97? I think, no, yeah, they were $3. So I paid 75 cents for the sixlets. I used to really like sixlets, and I may open a couple packs of those. But my son, I usually make him a pack to take to work, and I just tell him, here, share these at work, you know, because he works where there's a cafeteria. Well, he works at UPS, but, you know, I take him, just take these in the cafeteria and, you know, put them on the table and see if anybody wants any. Just, you know, you never know the small things that can brighten someone's day. Peeps. I absolutely hate these. I have never, ever, ever liked Peeps. But I bought 5 different kinds, 4 boxes of each. They were 75% off, so I think they were like 35 to 37 cents a pack, and I bought those to freeze dry them. Freeze dried, they are crunchy and supposedly really, really good. I have never tried it. I bought a pack one time to try it, and I thought, you know what, I just never did because I was running the freeze dryer for more important things, and I'm hoping now that I spent a whopping $6 on Peeps that I may actually go ahead and freeze dry some Peeps. And we just got those gummy bears to freeze dry too, but I still got dog food to freeze dry, and in 2 days I've got to go pick up 120 more pounds of dog food that I ordered. And I'm a little bit behind on freeze drying. So I have a batch to take out today, and I'll get on that. But I never saw these fruit punch kind. We got these standard purple, blue, and pink, and then sour watermelon. There's not a snowball's chance in, you know, where that I will try those. I absolutely hate sour candies, sour anything, and I really don't like the sugar coating on these, and I don't like marshmallows. So yeah, these are going to be freeze dried, and I will give some to my sister to let her taste them because she has always loved these Peeps. Even when they were in my Easter basket of candy when we were younger, I would just give them all to her. And just because I just don't like them. Okay, enough ranting on that. Moving on here, my grandson is growing so much, and his underwear, he just like, boom, skipped a whole size. So these were on clearance for $3. He likes the fancy ones more so than the just cotton briefs. And they did have cotton briefs on clearance for a 5-pack for $5. I think they were Hanes. But instead I opted to get him one pair of the Black Panther. I got him a men's small. It's still going to be too big, but he's going to like these, and he will probably just wear them around the house more so than, I can't even say he'll wear them to school because, well, you know, he's not going. Also in the clearance section, I picked him up this long sleeve shirt for school for next year, and it was marked down to $1 from like $15 or $16. And then this also another long sleeve shirt for $1. He'll like this because him and his mom both like skulls. He'll really like that. And it's long sleeves. This is rather a little bit of a heavyweight, but he'll like it anyway. And this one, it seems a little too warm, but in a spring or a summer cool evening, or even in the fall, he can wear this. And since it's long sleeves, he may even actually swim in this. He might not let me put it away, so I got to hurry up and put it away before he comes back. Over here, I found more of those amazing coupons. Not the buy one, get one free one, but pretty much buy one, get one free. The Splenda Naturals with stevia. This is erythritol and stevia. This is actually a lot better tasting in my coffee than just the erythritol, and definitely has no aftertaste like stevia usually does. So if you're looking for a better sweetener, I mean, I can recommend the taste of this. I've never liked aftertastes on other sweeteners, and the stevia and the erythritol aren't linked to cancer in rats or mice or people. So I had a $2.50 off of one. So this sells for $3.62. And with the $2.50 coupon, I ended up paying $1.12 for that one. So at $3.62 each, I had $4 off. That was off any naturals. This $2.50 was off any Splenda item, and then this coupon that was $4 off too was off of any Splenda Naturals item. So these were $3.62, $2 off each one. I paid $1.62, and that's an amazing price. I have to carry my own tea and my own sweetener in a little tin in my purse, because well, we're not going to a restaurant anytime soon, but when we go out to a restaurant, I don't like coffee in restaurants. It's terrible. I've never had a good cup of coffee in a restaurant. So this right here, I take my tea bag and my little sweetener packets now, and then I just order a cup of tea, and they'll bring me a tea bag, or I just tell them, ask them if I can have a cup of water. I said, I'm not going to use your tea bag, but if you need to charge me for it, go ahead. I bring my own because nobody has the tea and sweeteners that I use. I don't think I've ever had them charge for the tea at all when I tell them I just want a cup of hot water, if that's okay, and so that's nice. And then the 32 cans of Friskies. I haven't been to Sam's Club to get some cat food there. I think I told you before, we have a feral cat, and my husband tried to put medicine on him, and because he was having ear issues, and oh yeah, my husband tried to not trap him, catch him, but hold him still, and for a week we just couldn't touch him because he felt betrayed, I guess. Normally we don't touch him, but this was I had to get more cat food for him. We tried to hit our raw dog food, which is also good for cats, to give him that. He does not like that. We occasionally had given him tuna, and that was only until we were able to get him something soft, because he was still getting dry cat food. So we got him this. I'm not a fan of Purina at all, but the cat likes it, and I don't know what else to give him yet. That I tried to feed him better. I was getting grain-free from Chewy, and then their price went up on the things that I was getting, and I just thought, well, that's just too much. And then they only had the tiny cans or the super big cans, and because he's a feral cat, we'd have to give him we can't leave it in the house and it's not safe, and we don't have a refrigerator, just a freezer where he's at. So I got him this. I'm still searching for something better. I really wish he would have loved that raw food, but he didn't. So I got this. I did a video a while back where I think I did anyway. This was $15 regular price, and I think I got 2 of them before, well, at the end of last summer, because of all the plants, the gardening that I do. I usually use a soaker hose in those, but because now I have so many plants in pots, I really needed the sprinklers, and at $15 I'd have been moving that sprinkler everywhere, but at $5 I set up a hose to go to each area with the sprinkler, so it's just on and off and done. So that's it. That's part 2 of the Walmart haul, and let me know in the comments. Did you get some of that Easter candy when it was 50 or 75% off, or are you just staying in? And let me know what you I'm sorry, I'm so tired. Let me know what you prepped today. God bless you all, and stay safe.